Listen, if you take hours to film one video because you freeze up in front of a camera and can't talk without a script, don't worry, because I will show you how to make an easy DIY teleprompter without spending more than $10. I'm all about efficiency and getting a job done as fast as possible. But filming my first video for YouTube, I had to notice that speaking in front of a camera was just not my strong point. I mean, talking naturally to an object is already hard enough, but doing it in a language you're not native in makes it almost impossible without a script. Even though scripting out every word you want to say can help you convey your point of view more clearly, it also takes way too long to film if you must do it sentence by sentence while still looking at the camera lens. So my solution for this problem is a teleprompter. You know, those monitors TV people use to read their text from. Unfortunately, I had to find out that they can cost a ton of money. So instead of using up all my savings, which I don't have at the moment, I decided to go and make my own one to see if it would improve my filmmaking process. Real teleprompters use special beam glass, which is basically all there is to the magic. It allows the camera to not pick up any letters while you can see the script clearly that has been reflected from the iPad onto the screen. Using a regular glass will make it a bit less noticeable, but for our purpose it's more than enough. Because the image is being reflected, you will need to mirror the script in your app. I will put a link to the app I'm using in the description box. Did you notice a difference in my speech in this video? If so, please leave a comment or go and watch my first video for comparison. And I will see you all on the next time. Ciao!